Hello, I'm Chris Fenton with the Fenton Group, and I'm out here at the very end of Beaver Creek in the Alberni Valley on a gorgeous March day to give you a real estate market update for Port Alberni for March 2023. And I really have two observations about the market so far this year. The first is that the activity from buyers seems to be picked up from the end of last year. More people are out looking at properties, asking about properties, and even writing offers on properties than we were seeing sort of towards the end of last year. The second thing is there hasn't been a lot of inventory come on the market. In the spring, we expect there to be a flood of inventory, and while it looks like spring, it's a beautiful day, the spring real estate market hasn't come yet. So it'll be interesting to see what the market looks like once that inventory starts to come on the market. So now let's take a look at the real estate market stats for year to date. So that's January 1st to March 15th of this year, and we're going to compare it to 2022. So this year there have been 131 new homes come on the market, and there have been 56 sales so far this year. The average list price has been $539,112, and the average sale price has been $508,295. So homes are selling 5.7% below the asking price on average this year. And the average time it's taking to sell is 83 days, almost 3 months. For 2022, now let's remember in 2022, we were still in that very hot market where prices were increasing and there were multiple offers going on. That's what was happening at this time last year. So it's a stark contrast. There have been last year there were 157 new homes on the market by this point, 85 sales. The average house was listed at $632,000, selling for $651,000. So they were selling on average 3% above the asking price and only taking 17 days to sell. So really the tale of two completely different years. The interesting thing about those stats to me is there was more houses come on the market last year during those first 2.5 months than this year. And last year prices were going up because of a lack of inventory, because there were less options for buyers on the market. And this year we have less options, but I think it presents a unique opportunity for potential sellers because I don't think this is a market phenomenon. I think this is a weather phenomenon. Spring has been pushed. We normally would be well into spring by now, and this is really our first beautiful day, and we're midway through March. So as a potential seller, it makes sense to get a house on the market before the influx, because I think in the next 30 and 60 days, we're going to see a lot of houses come on the market. So there's buyers out there and there's few options for them. It's the perfect recipe for selling real estate. If you have any questions about the real estate market, or if you have any questions about the value of your home, please feel free to call us at 250-723-8786. We'll see you next month.